I can't believe that. Here we go. Get your fingers up there. Let's do it one more time because Mommy's arm got in the way. Ooh, good job. You got your hands right on. Excellent. Here we go. Ready? Ready? 3. Jaw. Number 3. No. Yep, right there. Jolly old Saint Nicholas, ring your hold it, way, good. Now you're going to the other side. Don't you tell a single thumb. So D. What I'm going to say. D. Say. Woo! Let's see if that one turned out.